Today we're going to be talking about a super exciting topic. It's the Oak Network Ambassador Program. Let's take a look at the success, growth, and the impact of the network and its ambassadors. The Ambassador Program was established to create a passionate group of community leaders that would ultimately help the network grow as they believe in the core values of the Oak Network. They've been going for a year now. Let's take a look at what they've been doing. The network started with just 7 participants, and by the time of its crowd loan, it had rocketed by 250%. Forward to today, and they have over 55 participants joining in every month on the Zeely quests, with 38 reward participants earning both Chua tokens and USDT rewards. That's some impressive growth. Now let's talk about some of the activities that the ambassadors themselves have been involved in. Ambassadors engage in a wide range of activities, everything from giving feedback on the UI, the UX, creating short-form video content, participating in events such as speakers and promoting the Oak Network, offering translation services for announcements, articles, and websites, hosting YouTube and Twitter AMAs, showcasing their graphic design skills, and moderating the social media platforms. I think we can all understand that the impact of the ambassadors is significant. Their contributions have improved the network in many ways. We can see the program's success in the growth of the Ambassador Program, the increasing number of participants, and the rewards themselves provided to the ambassadors. Let's stop for a moment and take a look at a success story. Because of the Ambassador Program, they saw a huge increase in participation, especially for the crowd loan, which is one of the reasons why they managed to secure it in less than 24 hours. Also played a crucial role in improving the UI UX design for the Turing staking dashboard. And because of the ambassador translations, over 400 articles are now published in multiple languages. Of course, the journey hasn't been without its complications. However, with collaboration through technological resource and healthy communication, they've managed to overcome most of them. Programs like Zeely have allowed Oak Network to scale seamlessly with a gamified experience and contribution program. They've also utilized community management and growth analytic platforms, enabling them to make informed decisions and track progress. They've learned some valuable lessons along the way, and ultimately these experiences will guide the Oak Network community into future development and success. All in all, the Ambassador Program has been a great success. Everybody has brought their strengths individually and collectively to help the network grow in a successful and sustainable way. Well done, Oak Network ambassadors.